Serviced here, non-smoker vehicle, originally bought here, potential factory remaining warranty of X months, X miles. See dealer for details. Carfax one owner, Land Rover certified, very nice, low miles, 13,572. HSE luxury trim, Fuji white exterior and vintage tan/ebony interior. Was $60,000, fuel efficient 26 mpg highway/21 mpg city. Sunroof, nav, heated leather seats, third row seat, alloy wheels, four-wheel drive, turbo Discover the Luther Advantage. The Luther Advantage is a complete and comprehensive package of benefits designed to make buying and driving a vehicle from the Luther dealerships a pleasant and convenient experience. From the peace of mind that comes with a 5-day 500-mile return or exchange policy, 30-day 1,500 miles full warranty and 60-day 2,500 miles limited powertrain warranty and free Carfax reports and clean title guarantee on pre-owned vehicles, as well as providing Luther customers with full range of valuable discounts at participating holiday station stores including 10 cents off a gallon, $6 for the works car wash among other advantages and guarantees. As much as we like satisfying customers, we like keeping them even more. Buy with confidence. 5-year/100,000 mile limited warranty. Complete 165-point inspection. 24/7 roadside assistance. Vehicle reviews. Edmunds.com explains it's quite an achievement to have a vehicle that is as good on pavement as it is over punishing terrain. Whether you intend to use it for the daily commute or scaling a seemingly insurmountable obstacle, the Discovery does either without compromise. Check whether a vehicle is subject to open recalls for safety issues at safercar.gov.
To ensure the highest quality, this Land Rover Select certified pre-owned vehicle passed a rigorous multi-point inspection. Experience unprecedented coverage with Land Rover Select certified limited warranty. Land Rover certified select vehicles. Our standards are up to yours.